So the first classification is on the basis of origin, that is biotic and abiotic. So what is the biotic resources? These are obtained from biosphere and have life such as human beings, flora and fauna, fisheries, livestock, etc. The meaning of biosphere itself means where the living organism exists. And then coming to abiotic resource, all those things that are non-living things, they are abiotic, like rocks and metals. So biotic means living things and abiotic means non-living things. The second kind of classification is on the basis of exhaustibility, that renewable and non-renewable resources. So what is renewable resources? The resource that can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanical processes, that is called renewable or replenishable resources. Some examples are solar and wind power, water, forest and wildlife. So further, this kind of resource can be divided into continuous or flow. The meaning of continuous is which does not stop. For example, wind energy and solar energy, this will not be stopped anytime, it will be continuous. And by the meaning of flow, we mean water, forest or wildlife. So water will come again in the river only if there is rainfall. If there is less rainfall, there will be no water. So it is dependent on certain other factors. Similarly, forest and wildlife, so we cut trees for wood and we cut excess of trees, that would lead to deforestation. And we also know how much time it takes to grow one full tree, and that is also dependent on certain factors like climate, rainfall and other factors. So these all comes under flow. Next one is non-renewable resource. So it is simply the opposite of renewable resources that cannot be replenished. For example, minerals and fossil fuels, because these kind of resources take millions of years of formation. Some of the resources like metals are recyclable, and some like fossil fuels cannot recycled but get exhausted with their use.